Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by making sure the basics are solid. Windows is updated and your Microsoft account is signed in. Once done, close Lunar Client and Minecraft and use Task Manager to kill leftover processes so nothing blocks authentication. Next, right-click Lunar Client and run as administrator. This forces proper permission access. If an error pops up, read it and remember the wording. We will use that exact message to target the root cause in the next steps. Now you tackle authentication and corrupted files. First, backup then clear Lunar Client cache in %appdata%. Lunar Client, corrupted cache often blocks logins. Once done, revoke Lunar Client access in your Microsoft account's app permissions, then immediately reauthorize. This resets the OAuth token flow. Make sure the Xbox app and Microsoft Store are updated because Lunar uses those services for sign-in. If Lunar still fails, reinstall the Store or Xbox components and verify Java or bundled runtime is current. Finish by launching Lunar Client and signing in with Microsoft. Accept any permission prompts so tokens can refresh. If you still see failures, open Lunar Logs and Windows Event Viewer to capture error codes. Those codes guide targeted fixes. Make sure system time is accurate and turn off VPN or proxy because OAuth rejects mismatched hosts. As a last quick test, temporarily disable antivirus and retry. If that solves it, create an exception for Lunar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.